Hey guys, welcome back into the video, and in this video we're going to be continuing the Python Pygame series. And in this one we're going to be going over character movement part 2. In the last video I saw you how to detect the space key and move the character, as well as introduce gravity. So you can see we did that here, but there's one more way to use character movement in Pygame. And in this video I'm going to be going over exactly that. So we're going to be going in our while loop. We're going to be going down here. We're going to be defining a variable called keys. Now this is going to be getted by Pygame dot key dot get pressed. So what this returns, it returns a list of keys that are being pressed currently. So now what we want to do is we want to see if the key that has been pressed, so we do if keys, and then we can do Pygame dot write, and then so for now I'll just pass, and then the same thing for if keys Pygame dot k left. Oh, Pygame dot k right, and then pass here too. So what this does is, if it detects that the key that is being pressed is right, or the key that is being pressed is left, then it's going to do what we tell it to do. So now what we want it to do when the right key is pressed is move the character right by a certain amount of pixels. So to do that, we just access the player rectangle. We do player rect dot x. We detect the x value of the player, which is the horizontal value, which is how we're going to move the player on the ground. And then we do plus equals 3. This just adds 3 to the value of the x value of the player, so it makes the player go right. And the same thing for this one, but we're going to do dot x minus equals 3. So what this is going to make it do is it's going to make it go left by 2. So now if we run this, you can see not only can our player jump from the spacebar, but it can also go right and left using the left and the right arrow keys. That's all for this episode. I'll get back to you on the next one, where we're going to be adding snails, which is going to be the enemy of this game. And then in the video after that, we're going to be doing collision, and the series is soon going to be coming to an end. Thank you for sticking around. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.